My lovely child. Physical and financial success are entering as you find your footing in the new world. This is part of your reward for achieving great success in removing yourself and setting boundaries with karmic ties. Open up, attract, receive, and ground in the abundance entering. This also include redemption so you can move on from abandonment, wounds, and trauma healed. The divine angel is holding you in her arms, helping you get back fully into your physical body. She is helping clear the stored memory of abuse from all lifetimes. Receive her love, nurturing, and healing. She is holding you tight until you feel ready to completely let go of it all and move forward. Subscribe God's Manifesto.